Hello everyone, welcome to my video. A few weeks back, I released this course for teaching artificial intelligence AI for beginners. This course includes a lot of recorded videos and it includes an ebook for teaching AI basics and an ebook for teaching about RAG retrieval augmented generation. And even I included a book about SQL also. Okay. So I believe this course will be really useful for learning artificial intelligence, and I'm keep on updating this course with more content. Okay, and I included a lot of links to my blog posts about AI also. Okay, so I believe it's a really useful one, and I set a very low price of just $12. Okay, compared to any other course, the price is very low as of now. Now I have decided to allow affiliates to earn money from this course. Okay, and I published a blog post about it in my blog. Okay, here you can find the details. I believe this course is having huge demand because when I ran a free offer for this course at Udemy, 1000 people enrolled within one day. Okay, so I believe there is a huge demand. So as an affiliate, you can make use of this demand to earn money from this course. But I decided to choose affiliates carefully. Okay, previously I selected many affiliates without doing much analysis, but they are almost inactive, so that approach is not working out. So this time I'm planning to choose a very limited number of affiliates based on various selection criteria, and then I'm planning to spend a lot of time with them to train them, to explain them, and for getting feedback from them to update the course. So it is like more interactive. So like that I am planning. Okay, so if you are really interested, just contact me with these details, your email ID that you used for creating Gumroad account, and your social media profile links, and a few words about how you will be promoting this AI course. Okay, as I said, I will be choosing only a few qualified affiliates only, and I use Gumroad affiliate system, so just to learn about that one also. Okay, so if you are interested, just create a Gumroad account and then contact me with your email ID. Okay, this is my email ID. Okay, so I will add you as a affiliate after going through your details, and I will be setting 50% affiliate commission. Okay, so you can earn significant money simply by selling this course. As I said, this course is having huge demand. You can easily earn money, but anyway, fundamentally doing any kind of affiliate marketing is not a easy task. You have to do a lot of hard work, and you should be having huge social media following. Anyway, if you're a beginner, if you're not expecting to earn immediately, I can guide you to do how to do all these things. Okay, that is one part, but mainly I am expecting affiliates with good social media following. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact me. Okay, bye.